Imagine a cosy campfire in Coventry Cathedral with hot dogs and pineapple salsa, marshmallows, voices united in worship, and stories that are life-changing and echo through time. Friday the 15th of November, 6:30 p.m. You're invited to join us as we gather as volunteers, supporters and attendees from across the decades. Why? Because for 100 years, children and young people have been exploring life with Jesus on CPAS holidays. We'll come together to celebrate and thank our amazing God for his unwavering faithfulness and blessing over the past 100 years. For example, in 1924, a young girl wrote a postcard home saying, "My brother and I gave our whole selves to Jesus." How class is that? God instructs his people to remember his deeds, and by remembering what God has done, our hearts rise in confidence as we consider what he will do in the future. It's our prayerful ambition at CPAS that every child in the UK would have the chance to explore Jesus. We're asking God to help us discover our best contribution to this picture over the next 100 years. We'll be sharing plans about the next decade at this special Campfire service. Come, celebrate and be inspired about the future. Please book your place and your hot dog with pineapple salsa via the link, and we'll see you in November.